let us remind JPac of this voice note. Listen, I won't go with sense. You marry for only sense. They have the content creators how would their personal interest when they remove to not turn against people. Then let us remind him of this. Then I will have something to say.
Good evening from here. Oh, JPac, because to watch on this and evangelist could be the major as eyes of the gods.
Eyes of the gods.
Touching the wrong place before. For giving each of you to the business and I'm worrying about it. How about February?
Get our own back of Zion on if I name it. Get our own audio billionaire. Get our own no eyes of the gods. Get our own no so committed na business and na business ya he make on space. Na agent you ki wefu ebebu no we change ki wefu the reason patalo unya juwe na act into sia act ngonwa sokwa ekegu.
This year, even they defend the minister. I'm a coach account. JPac was coming in February. And they post
no on Facebook. Facebook doesn't feed me. Facebook doesn't feed me.
Guys, share this program next time now. How about it? For share and keep sharing. Click love and like and now share because.
My all those time. Who will post in defending of ministry. Facebook will strike him. Since that time, we will now but February, March, April, 3 months, May, 4 months. Men are counting to already disabled. Not red, not even yellow. Also not yellow, not warning, no red. Still, the monetization is out. Just because AM video, JPac post room, or AM video post to, honestly, say I was saying, how far? Can you say? Whatever, yes, and there are they were abroad and the never pay. Even in case you pay.
Those criminals. 2 criminals.
But not to remind now. Previous month, has come once to worse, as poor as the pay may be. You know, 2 million naira a month. Now that's as come once to worse. $2 million, $2,000. That's the man that month on your eye. Almost about 3 or 4. So, pay where you see, brought up CPR. They defend the ministry. I'm not sure of more anything. I'm not $2 million the February, March, April, May, $8 million just gone. Whatever we do to pay your share, not if I still my 4 accounts will get them monetized. I'm saying the hanging category. It requires that depending a meta app. So also my background accounts of time they use more Mr. JPac comedy. But he had 1,000 followers before build this year. Before it was not giving me or giving any profits. It was here, if I don't post anything called ministry because all the story go account. All the story go my account. I don't post anything called ministry, church, whatever. Or men I don't post.
If you reason Ojiwe may you turn immediately, say undo kajuko sindo kajigarese. If you reason Ojiwe make you turn makanguma wukuche na gonna help ufuebe. He made that U-turn because no I will know if I want to make with OBI with all sincerity. I am on and working monetizing, I monetize. You got to go now because now that monetization happen. That monetization okay well conscience here is so now is so na-esogharị ya pọpị. Did you see? The reason kpatara o ji wee sị na onwe ozife gbasara ndị ụka ji wee bido mgbe o jere Egypt is because no lose monetization ya. Now na ọwụrụ m onwe ya anakpụrụ m onwe m, I wouldn't even afford back, but he decided to fight back maka ego ahụ o lose goal. Now no a coincidence na mgbe igwe credo mentioned 9 million 2 million into 4 months ahụ country. Is it not 8 million? 1 million ka ọ fọrọ ọwụlụ 9 million na the 50 month a na-ekwu ife owewu 9 million. Ịghọtagoro ife a na-agwa because ọ calculate $2,000 n'ọnụ 1 million per $1,000. So is it coincidence now onwe gosi wee dakọsị ya adakọsị na ntị gee ntị ka i were mmalụ na this most of the content creators especially bloggers enwe na South is very evil, very evil. Gee ntị ka ọ ya wee isi igwe. I decided to say this thing again today because of this issue. Bagolitekwala again ta.
Account disabled. And the open account disabled. What do you hit the
all na account how to disable where if you wait here can obi at least onye ahụ ejegodigolo ofu property. Ego ne ka ị na-demand ka ị na-achị demand from evangelist Gobi uwe gị eji wee je go to property because you want to fight for a ministry that nobody mandated you to. Ogodo niile post to a solidarity to Zion ministry ọ wụrụ na ndị achịkwu na go na ha akwụrụ ofu obi onwe an information do they decided to let you have that information. Does it amount to paying you? Yes. Does it amount to paying you? No will information actually for public consumption. Does it amount to paying you? That is the question I'm asking. You monetize everything because when if ana agwago we were trading agwago no nwere be na for ha enwe interest. It is all about money and interest. So ngo chekwo na ha na defend your interest eba ngo the biggest ewu of our century because why they are making money ngo na akpukugari e gotago ine asfo nyogarisi. Let us take him back to what happened of recent so that he will see how inconsistent they are because of their pursuit for money.
New accounts.
You see? Money.
To 10,000 to 20,000 followers. Still nothing to show up.
Click love and like. They're reporting my video. Click love and like. And share the video. Share. Get it.
If I was saying this, if I maybe go.
I don't know.
Share to subdue their report.
I can't come out.
Suggest
because now almost more than I just need approximately.
Oh God, if I would make it.
Because he was, I don't happy. I'm not gonna lie you.
I don't happy.
I don't even hide their life. I don't happy.
I'm
not happy at all. I'm
angry people.
I'm getting my gym. I can't do when you should everybody may more overlook. I don't happy.
Everybody may
overlook. They have also touched to evangelist Ebukobi.
The reason
why I don't have online when I get in the account for the disabled and I don't know my I'm on my
Ngụnwa nọzikwo ekele mụ na ịmaghị ife a na-eme. Ngụnwa nọzikwo ekele mụ na ịmaghị ife a na-eme. Just wure ego. They stated it very clearly to you in this voice note the reason for their anger and the reason for their obsession. Ị ka na pretend na ịmahọ. Eche na ha kwuru na ha amahọ. Ịghọtago? so a na-agwa gị ya ọdụka ya sị na amaghị ife a na-ekwu ọkwa ifuga ebe anga ha si wee bido ifuga ebe ife with the cause of that anger now because na onye a feel na interest ya adịghọ met up with o decide to start acting in that way o recruit owu esi na WhatsApp group recruit a lot of their fellow bloggers na Southeast ndị ha feel na ha na reason together. They started hitting from different angles. Ha raise a battle against Akozion or do personal thing Akozion meluha. But now you have seen the cause of the anger. If I was something personal interest, how will you manipulate a role onunine Isoruhane Mekase? You thought they are fighting genuinely. They will always pretend to you like they are fighting a genuine fight. You won't know that what they are doing is that one born out of selfish interest. Imagine if Nebuje go beaver. Imagine if na go forward to the evangelist go beaver. Evangelist go will say, okay, we'll 10 million or 15 million when you have. It's not gonna ya dark if no nako. Kerifi chofulu kita or from ba. Kerifi chene make kita omolo no ne. What has changed? If not the fact that now look, some of us have sacrificed go our time and our page. We don't even expect thank you from anybody. We don't even expect anybody to compliment us and tell us to write down. We don't. If I name, we find a Chineke sign not. And that is why Ojuwekumba say, even Ijowa, Nezugo, as the Onye speak for yourself, my dear. Because now Monago made the same thing. Monaga they made the same thing. If any we decide without anybody patronizing me or paying me. When I started doing it, I never even knew that one day I would get to meet somebody and Akozion. I wasn't even expecting such engagement with Akozion. I didn't expect it then. I didn't know it will happen. You got to go. So they thought that Namuni Ijowa and the rest of us that we are in the same business with them, business of making money with people's intelligence. So now you know that they are full of lies and deceit. So we have the content creators also known as Southeast. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha not hancha, especially in the bloggers. Ya amụ ya na Igbo ọkụ very soon because of their selfish interest. Jede na akwụkwọ ekwuo ye emewe live broadcast ka ọ bụ ofu akụkọ mana ịma na na-ekwu eziokwu nke a wuru ife imepe anya wee nye unu ọ na-decide imepe anya ụfọdụ n'ime unu decide gị ikpu isi so i decide ikpu isi uwe isi ka a na-eme pọpị echi niile onwekwa ka ifesi wee hugharị ya sọngwa unu unu niile na-akpụ n'inwe pocket ya ka ọ na-achụ. I don't make money from Facebook. Facebook doesn't feed me. Facebook doesn't feed me. A Google account Ijowa Luzuna account of almost 200,000 followers. Bidokwe build another one. Omega Ijowa may anything. Yeah? I'm also going issue mulanya. Do careful with bloggers. Be very, very careful with bloggers. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha enweghị your best interest at heart. Only their selfish interest. If I will remember, but they decided to bring it back so that I can remind him of something based on program. It is strictly about their interest. Share this video.